Hello, secret camera. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to put tinsel in the hair. So I got two ones, these like glittery ones, and then just rainbowy. And then also we're gonna put in a feather. I'm gonna put mine in with the bead because it's the easiest. So this thing comes with like a looper thing, the beads, and the clamper. And if you want, you can use this little hook instead of the looper. Let's see, which feather do I want to put in my hair? Which side? I think on this side, in the front. Are these even feathers? They're like hair. Whatever. Thought they were feathers. Oh, they're feather hair extensions. Whatever. I'm gonna do purple because that's my favorite color. I want to do two colors, like purple and orange for like Halloween-y, or teal, or all the colors of the rainbow. Okay, I think I'm gonna do these three colors. I'm gonna put these all together, but because they're the eye tips, I'm gonna do the bead underneath and then cut this. Take my bead, stick it on the loop. Now put the hair through and pull through. I think I might put the rainbow ones with the feathers. Put the looper in there. Tinsel. And pull it through. Beautiful. Okay. I think I'm gonna put it like right here. Take a bit of hair, bead, your hair in the loopy. Not all the way to the scalp because then it's not comf. Now I take the pliers and pinch. Ooh. Now I'm gonna cut these tips off because that's how I wanted to do it. So now it's just like this. You can't see it. And then I'm gonna cut it however long I want it. I think I want it oh, beautiful. So take a bunch and then a pair of scissors, and then you're gonna just do like how you would ribbon. Open it, put it on there. Not too tight, otherwise it'll rip. And pull. Curly. that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.